what's going on, everybody? It's Game Geezer here. I wanted to make a video today. I didn't really know what I was going to make it about, and I kind of thought this pin was really cool that I picked up in DC while I was touring around over there. And this is a space pin, and I thought these pins were really cool, so I went ahead and bought one. And they come in different styles and price ranges, from like $10 to $40, depending on how nice, fancy you want one. I spent about $35 on this one, which is a lot for a pin, but all the money that you spend over there goes to their museums and stuff, and I thought this pin was really cool, and I just kind of wanted to share and talk about it because it's got a lot of really crazy features in it, even though it doesn't look like it. So let me set my pin down here, and I want to read you just kind of the specs on this thing here. Now over here you got a little history lesson. So down here to over here it talks basically about the pin. So it says the space pin technology starts with a non-skip textured tungsten carbide ball encased in a stainless steel ball socket. Designed and machined to almost perfect precision, the sealed ink cartridge is pressurized to about 45 pounds per square inch and contains a viscoelastic thixotropic solid gel ink. The result is a ballpoint pen that will write dependably and smooth, upside down, underwater, over grease, in extreme cold and hot temperatures, with an estimated shelf life of 100 years. Sealed pressurized ink cartridge writes at any angle, even upside down, and in space or water or whatever, grease. So pretty cool. If you want to pause and read the history on it, there it is, right there. And yeah, pretty awesome. So this pin is pretty amazing. What else is pretty cool about it is if you want to use your fancy space pen for normal stuff every day, it will pretty much write on anything, people, paper, whatever. They sell the cartridges so you don't have to spend, $35 on another pen when you run out. You just get a replacement cartridge for it. And yeah, let me get my pen going here. So when you take the cap off, it becomes a normal size pen when you combine it. Pretty cool. Yeah, pretty neat. Let's see if it'll ride on my truck a little bit here. Yeah, I want to test it out, see if it'll ride on all that other stuff. I don't know if that's ever going to come off, but it's alright because I love my truck anyways. Yeah, so I just wanted to share that with y'all. I thought this was a really cool little pin, little fancy thing you can treat yourself to, a little space pin. They gave me another card that talks about it, talks about the pin here. If you want to read about that, or I guess I'll read it for you. The mechanism in the original pin that was developed in 1965 for use in outer space cost over $1 million to design. Its ink cartridge was pressurized with nitrogen gas. Even today, the space pin is the only type of pen that will work in extreme heat or cold, right underwater and over most grease, and right at any angle. It has been used on manned space flights from both the US and Russia. The original pins of this type used by astronauts are on view in the Smithsonian National Air and Space Museum, which that's where I got this pin from. So pretty cool. Just a little thing you guys can watch and check out and kind of have fun with today. Little space pin. I think they're really awesome. Comes with a little pamphlet too that talks more about it, like in depth. But that's pretty much the gist of the space pin. So hope you guys enjoyed that little thing for the day. And side note, so I just tried to wipe that off with some water. It's not really coming out of there, or on there. It will, I can tell, I'm getting it, but it's a big pain. So just beware of that. You could also be probably really annoying to somebody and doodle something on something like that, and they'll have a really fun time getting rid of it. Anyways, guys, see you later.